Can't compare the under-20 coach to Hugo Bruce. Let's start there. If you understand football, when he became the under-20 coach, two things happened. He was not a cup winner. You would agree with me that. Secondly, nobody had a gun against his head and say, accept the salary. He was offered, he accepted the offer. Hugo Bruce is an international coach. Now, when we must deal with the issue of this 50,000, which I think is little, let us not diminish and bring in Hugo Bruce. Because for the first time, Hugo Bruce is on the level of Clive Barker, the dog. We have a good coach. Imagine tomorrow we lose Hugo Bruce. Then we must now look for other things. I am going to meet with the coach myself. He did a good job. He now qualifies for much more. He has good reason to renegotiate his package. We were not there. If he has a problem with that 50, he should not have accepted that 50,000. But it's now very popular to say, no, it's not right. This is how life works. You don't get what you deserve. You get what you negotiate. Bruce